Hello friends, welcome to Senior to Junior Academy. So friends, I welcome you all to SSP guidance course, and friends, today I'll be discussing word association test. Friends, for those of the new viewers, I would request you to please watch all my previous videos on officers like quality. I have discussed each and every officers like quality with SRT examples and previous my SSB interview experience and PPDT experience. Friends, today this is the third video of the series psychological test. Previously I have uploaded TAT, I have discussed everything and uploaded a sample picture in which I have given a story. So friends, this lecture is totally presented by me. My name is Abhishek Kumar Singh and I got recommended from 14 SSB Allahabad for Short Service Commission Technical Entry. Friends, today I will be discussing important test, that is word association test. Friends, this is a part of a psychological test, and this test aims at judging the personality traits and basically psychology of a candidate. It brings out your attitude, thoughts, desired feelings and your negative aspects, what you think about. So friends, the nature of this test is that the candidate is shown 60 words one by one and are expected to make a short sentence using the word shown. One by one, your word will be flashed in front of you, and the time limit is 15 seconds. In 15 seconds, you have to see the word and you have to make a short sentence of the word. The word can be in any form and any tense. It can be in any form and any tense. And for example, I have written a word can be like die can be used as died and dying. Any form and any tenses can be used. Friends, to help you out, there will be a buzzer to indicate the word has changed. There will be a buzzer sound and that will remind you that the next word has appeared. So in order to keep you in track, this helps you. Friends, one of the important thing that I would like to discuss in that is that it is often found that if you miss some word, and so what candidate do is that due to time constraint, if they miss some word, they write the next word in place of that. So this thing should be avoided, and this is one of the major mistake, and it indicates that you are very careless. So I would request you to please note that it has happened to one of my friend, that as you know that you are in SSB, you will be given 3 pages for WAT. First page will be from 1 to 6th. It will be numbered from 1 to 20, sorry. Second will be from 21 to 40 and third page will be from 41 to 60. So there are basically 20 lines and you have to write 20 words in first pages, and if you miss any alternate lines, so you need to take care of this. Friends, you know that there is time limit, so whatever response comes, please write, and it will be your natural response for sure. The candidate needs to do a lot of practice to build this habit. And last thing is that I would like to say the time limit. You know that 15 seconds you get for a single word. That means if you appear for 60 words, that means total of 15 minutes is required for this test. Friends, some of the important points in word association tests that I would like to discuss is that this test happens soon after the TAT, and word association test confirms the quality that you display in TAT. My advice is make a simple and logical sentence, make sentence of your own, take care of grammar and maintain a good handwriting, avoid cutting, avoid idioms and phrases, because see, idioms and phrases are very much predetermined things that is already been established by someone, or it is an established idea. So when you write idioms and phrases, that means you lack originality, and you lack originality, and your thoughts are not coming out from your heart, so you lack imagination. That shows. For that reason, you should avoid idioms and phrases. Avoid use of I, because when you say I do, I have done this, I have, that means you want to phrase yourself. So avoid using I. Avoid using negative sentence. Write sentences based on recent happening. For this you need to take an interest in current affairs, and it will show a positive impact in your WAT. Be practical in approach and try to connect it with your TAT. As same as mentioned in TAT also, do not be a award seeker. Always be a part of solution. Do not be a part of problem. So these were the important points, and few of the important tips that I would like to give to you is that, friends, please do not use the word like should, could, might, may, etc. Because, friends, you know that I have discussed already in my one of the officers like quality of self-confidence, because these all words show that you lack self-confidence. When you say I might do this, that means you are lacking self-confidence, and self-confidence is one of an important officers like quality. So my advice is to do not use the word like should, could, might, etc. Keep the sentence short as possible. Try to build a positive sentences from a negative word. I would describe these all things in my next video, how to make a word and how to make a sentence from the negative words. Again, friends, like if you are not able to form a sentence because of time constraint, whatever thoughts come in your mind, please write that. Be quick. And I would like to say that words are very simple and it is of day-to-day usage. Examples you can take it like speed, careful, sure, high, defeat, etc. and etc. I will describe all these things in my next video, so you do not need to worry about that. I will describe each and every aspects of WAT, how to convert a negative into positive word, how to write a short sentence, how to involve current affair in your sentence. These all things will be described in the next video, friends. So I thank you all for watching. If you have any doubt, please mail me at s2jacademy@gmail.com. Do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for next video. So I thank you all for watching. Share knowledge, share success. Thank you. Jai Hind.